Alright, so today we're opening 3 Crown Zenith TINS. Which one do you want to open?
The red bird.
I'll open Articuno. Go ahead and open the red bird.
You need the gloves from the thing.
I'll put gloves. That means you're gonna pull something good. Alright, we'll get some gloves then.
You definitely can pull something good.
Alright. Just decent promo cards.
No trust. One, two, three, four, five.
5 booster packs each. So, the promo card. What do you think about the promo cards?
That one's nice.
How about the red one?
I showed it already. Galarian.
Mortress. Articuno. Okay, anyways. I won't mash them up now. No need. Let's put them on the side. 5 crowns in it. Let's get to it. First pack.
I think you need to cut
Black code card. I don't know if it means anything. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, I'm supposed to put this here, right? Yeah. It's been a while. Luxio.
Energy.
Alright.
Where's your energy?
I'll put, I don't know. Let's put one pile. Yep, I have Hoopa V. Oh shit. Okay, wait, let's be careful. Let's be careful with it. Say we both got 2 good things here. Ooh, Reggie got 2. Look, we starting out. Yo, sacamos far. It's starting off pretty well. 2 hits each. First pack. But that's the one I wanted the most. I didn't expect to get it first shot.
I told you were getting good ones, right? It's on camera.
I'm not too hyped there, but that's the #1 card on my list then.
He's very high.
Code card?
It's just very late.
1, 2,
Like
3,
this late.
4. There we go. That's how I was supposed to do it. Energy. Let's keep the energies. Okay. Carnivine.
But how am I supposed to go all the way there?
I'm gonna get 20 hits, that's why. Let's just go to the main thing because nobody cares about these ones.
Oops.
Nope. Absol, Halloween Dreamax, and Kyogre. Not a hit. I'll put my holo here. Reverse holo.
Absol has a yellow border. Wow.
So this is yours. This is Mortress tin, Articuno tin. So far, the Mortress tin is gonna be the winner, I think, for the night. Pack number 3. That's a $100 card. I got money back for the 3 tins pretty much. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. 100 US, 80, 90 US. So yeah, we got back our Canadian money.
Energy.
Energy.
Energy switch.
One.
Krokorok. Lunatone.
Okay.
Meow. Wilmer. Shinx. Lavista. Oddish. Absol Reverse Hollow, and
The Rude Reverse Hollow and Volcarona. Let's put them here to start. Pack number 4. Look, I think it's a successful night already.
Than this.
It's impossible to get better. Unless you get a gold card. Gold card. 1, 2, 3, 4. V-Star marker. I'll put all the garbage here. Boom. We should make sure we see our hands. We don't really see them. Ooh, Gold Giratina. That's the most expensive card. That's 150, is it? I don't know. Look at that. Look at that. The most expensive card, I think. Yeah, it's a Giratina.
No way.
And you got a Arts action. I don't know how much it is, but maybe
no
15
way. Where are we putting this?
We got the 2 most expensive cards. That's like 300. We have like 300 Canadian pretty much over here. Last pack of those first 2 tins. We still have another tin. Whole card. 1, 2, 3, 4. I wish I could be more hype, you know, but I'm not that type of guy. But I'm happy. Alright. Energy.
Boom.
Midtime. Okay, I'm just gonna put them here. Let's find the hits. Oh, shiny energy. First one I ever had in my life.
Not much.
I'll put the star here. Look, it's badly printed. Look at the lines. Horrible printing line. So, look, it seems like I outdone it, huh? You said we weren't gonna beat this one, but this is the most expensive one. And they seem to be pretty centered. Properly centered, huh? So, let's open the last tin. Bring it over. Not bad, huh? That's the best puzzling I've ever had in my life. Better than all my years playing Yu-Gi-Oh! Or any other thing. Good thing I got those tins, huh? Alright, so we got the Galarian Zapdos. Another promo card. Imagine that. And I wanted to keep these sealed. I thought about keeping them sealed. So we have 2 each. I'll let you choose yours. So far it's pretty crazy hits. Alright.
I like hand weighing them.
First pack of the Galarian Zapdos tin. Let's see if it can keep up with those 2 tins. I don't think it has hope. Code card.
Wait.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Code card.
Can it beat these tins, Sasha? We have the 2 best cards.
No.
It's impossible.
Maybe.
Impossible.
If we get another one.
That would be the best video on YouTube. Alright. Let's see. What does Zapdos have for us? Reverse Hollow Execute?
You can look and... What? No.
Nothing. Zapdos take the L.
No.
That's a star. What's the... Okay, the last booster in the middle. Whoever gets the better pull opens the last booster. Alright. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4. These cards are mashed up in the corner. They're all damaged. I hope there's nothing good in this one. 1. Let's see what we got. I'm just gonna move forward to my reverse hollow. And Agron hollow, nothing. Oh, you got a Caldeo. Altart.
It's so cool.
It's not worth anything, but it's a nice card.
Aurora.
Put it in the middle.
This.
I guess you open the last pack.
That's nice.
Let's see. The Zapdos one didn't get the good things. But it's okay.
Lunatone, Solrock, Rockruff, Tantala, Baltoy, Muse, Mouse, Energy Retrieval.
Radiant Internet is okay. We need something else. Worth 10. Zapdos came with the L.
Look at this.
No, it's not that good, Seisha, but
It's shining.
let's just
And
put
it's gold.
all of our good ones here.
It's a good one. It's a Radiant.
It's okay,
Radiant,
but
everything is good.
so these are our hits for the day.
Radiant Charizard.
We got how many? We got a few Altarts. We got the Hoopa V. We got the Zacian V. We got the V Max, the Mewtwo, and the Giratina, the two best cards of the set. What it do?
I can't see you.
You can't see me, but I have to place the cards. All right, that's it. That was a success, right?
Get yours. Go
These
get
tins
yours.
are cracked, like they say. All right, peace.